How to withdraw money from Bitget to your bank account. Now, first things first, if you don't have the application yet, just simply download it via Play Store if you're using an Android device. Upon logging in, you have to log into your account and then access the app. Just click on skip. Now, once you are inside the app, all you just have to do is tap on these boxes right here and then go to P2P. Now, from here, you have to tap on the three dots on the upper right hand of your phone and then tap payment methods. Now here, you need to make sure first that your account is fully verified with your identifications in it, and then this is where you register your bank credentials, add your bank name, bank number, and so on and so forth. Now, once you added your bank, you just have to link your bank information to Bitget and you are fully set up. Once everything is done, you just have to go back and you need to tap on sell, and this is where you will cash out your money. You just have to choose on specific methods and what you want and make sure that the method that you are tapping has a badge in it, like this one, for example. You just have to make sure that the transaction will be secure. Now, once you tap on that, you just have to sell the specific amount and it will automatically go into your bank account. So that's how you withdraw from Bitget to your bank account.